It's Neve here with Kitchen Tumblers, and we're going to be doing the sitting elephant keychain, and we're going to throw in a badge reel. Alright, the fun thing about the Zindee acrylic blanks is that they all come with a matching cut file to go onto the blank. And so here you see I've already cut them out, and I decided to use some pattern vinyl along with regular colored vinyl to kind of switch up the elephant a little bit. But this little blank is so cute. Look how cute this little sitting elephant is, and there are tons of them on there, so make sure you check out the links below to pick up some of these blanks. You're going to be addicted if you have not with doing these blanks. But here you can see I'm starting the layering process, and I am putting down first the body, then the ears. Those little dots are the cheeks, not eyes. And then you'll put the feet. That little piece behind there, the black silhouette of the elephant, I ended up not using it, so don't get confused when you don't see it on my blank. I did not use it. I decided to just use glitter for my back of the elephant. So when you don't see it there, that's why I decided against it. When I cut my templates out, or when I cut out my vinyl, I don't cut the hole. I hide the hole, and then I make my own hole because I don't want to fool with trying to figure out how to match it perfectly. I'd rather just cut my own hole. Now we're going to go ahead and get our UV resin and seal the top pieces of the acrylics. Now, the vinyl that we're using is perfectly fine and will not budge and won't get destroyed if you don't seal it. The only reason why I seal it is because I like the glossy look that it provides. But honestly, if you don't want to fool with that, if you don't want to fool with glitter or resin, you don't have to. You can just use the Oracle vinyl, or whichever vinyl that is going to be long lasting, and it should work perfectly fine. So as you can see here, I went ahead and applied my UV resin on top of the blank, and now I'm just using what is actually a chopstick to spread around the UV resin. And take your time with this. Spread it all out. Make sure it doesn't drip over the sides. If it does, it's okay. Just clean it up a little bit. But the main thing is you want to get every piece covered, and then let it sit for a little bit to To help with bubbles, you can use a lighter to pop the bubbles that come up on top, or you can spritz it with alcohol and those will pop the bubbles as well. Now we're just going to set it under the light for 3 minutes. So with my light, it's a 60-second button that I'm going to press 3 times. Using liquid latex is definitely optional. It's not something you have to do, but if you do choose to use it, make sure when you're selling or giving it to someone that you offer the disclaimer that you have used liquid latex. Even though you do clean the residue off, you just don't know how allergic someone may be. So it was pointed out to us that if we're going to use liquid latex, just to let the person receiving the blank know. Today's glitter of choice is Black Cat by the Glitter Guy, and we're going to mix glitter into resin, and then we're going to apply the resin onto the blank. So a little different from what I usually do, but we're just going to try this technique today. And y'all, I didn't speed this video up too fast. I only sped it up times 2 because you know what, I didn't want to go too fast, so if you need to see something, but I definitely didn't want it to be super slow, because you can kind of get the gist of what I'm doing. Plus, crafting is just so relaxing, so just kind of take the time to sit back and watch, and then you can watch it again and do if you want to work along with me. So each time we're going to set for 3 minutes under the light. Now we are ready to peel off the liquid latex, which again protects the front from any glitter or residue getting on top. And just to be fun, we're going to make the eyes out of rhinestone, and the size of this rhinestone is the SS20, but I think SS16 will work just as well. I'm going to use my UV flashlight to set it, and then I'm going to set it up under the lamp as well. Now for our mini sitting elephant, we're going to apply the badge reel. And so what I'm going to do here is put a little dot of UV resin on the actual badge reel, and then I'm going to hit it with the light just for a second or two to make it a little bit gummy so that I can adhere the elephant to it and it kind of stays put. Then I'll put my light around it, and then I'll set it up under the lamp again for 3 minutes. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like this video, giving it a thumbs up, and make sure you share it with your friends. And go ahead and use those links below, because every time you use my affiliate links below, I'm able to provide you with videos free of cost, and it's super fun content for you. Love you guys. Thank you so much. See you next time.